There's something about the whole Yankee Peddler festival that you can't really capture on the camera. It's the smells and the aromas that waft through the air. You can smell the coal burning from the blacksmiths. You can smell the food, the kettle corn and the pierogies, the buffalo burgers, the sausages. It's all good. Smoke goes through the glens here from all the campfires. And it's a nice day for us because it's cool. It's not a hot, sunny day, so we're kind of enjoying our stroll today. Not real crowded because of the rains. It's kept the people back too. Well, I smell some coal burning down here. That means there's a blacksmith around the corner. And I think he's one of my favorite blacksmiths, so we'll go down around the corner and see if we can hear the pinging of the hammer on the steel.
We were looking all over for you. Oh, you did say you were in the back corner. As usual.
Well, I can't hold it. We ought to do a triangle.
Well, we're going to run, Brian. I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Oh, we need.
I think it might take them a while.
I think she's ready. She's new at it. Still learning.
Hey, hey, hey.
I like the tools you got too.
How's she coming? Put the rivets in now? Not scrappy yet. Doesn't mean anything. No, but I need that cup drilled.
Oh, that's good.
Wherever I had to drop my eye out.
For lace curtains, so you don't want to make them a little on the dainty side. And they want
don't make stuff on the dainty side.
I know, they want black, and they want the little curl on the end. Basically like the style that we just saw. And that's it.
Okay.
Remember how you make those?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've seen it too.
And I'll be back in about 2 hours.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
What is it, 1:18 now?
Yeah. Just say 1:30 and
Alright,
we'll be
thanks.
back after.
Basically, just using initials or a short name. So like, see how there's a space down here? Right down here. Yeah. They're small little letters.
We used to be up on the hill up till a couple of years ago. Years back, probably 20 years ago. Elderly lady, I would think in her 70s.
This is a good one.
Stopped up, picked one up, played with it. She must have played with that thing for probably 20 minutes. The more she tried, the worse she did. Finally, she took it, she looked at it, she threw it out in the woods, and she said, "How much do I owe you, young man?" I said, "Well, $8, ma'am." And she handed me $8. The kids scurried out there. Nobody ever did find it. So I just said, "How much do I owe you, young man?"
And if you're ready for another funny, I gotta tell you, up here, everybody's gone. There was a young guy. He came up, everybody's gone. Jerry was making throwing knives. Guy took the knife, looked at it, looked at me. Looked at the knife, looked at me. And I'm going, anybody around? He looked at the knife, looked at me. Good looking guy, but got me a little nervous. He turned around, and from here to that tree, he threw that knife, stuck in the tree, and he came back and he looked at me and goes, "I'll take it."
Oh my God.
Going, I was going to give it to him. Because I'm going to lose everybody. You having fun?
Oh yeah, I'm having a good time. I love it here.
Hardly. I got a lot of shirts.
What's your best knife here?
What is the best one?
Yeah.
He won't sell it.
For which purpose?
Oh, that's the one he won't sell.
That's the one I won't sell.
Okay.
This
Yeah.
one, leaf spring.
Oh yeah.
I'll get him over here.
They all have a purpose. They all have a purpose.
This was his lunch, and it fits in both hands. The bone part. It's a ham hock bone, huh?
Yeah, that's probably, you can skin and bone with this utility knife. You don't have to do just utility knives.
Yeah, but that was your lunch.
The bone was my lunch. The ham hock.
Really?
Yeah. I ate the ham hock. I said, boy, that will make a nice. I put it in the forge and dried it out. There it is.
But it puts left-handed, right-handed.
Those are the horseshoes. Yeah, these are it. Thanks. Enjoy.
They look like.
He wants to see them.
Sure, go ahead.
You're the craftsman?
You're off.
Yeah.
Craftsman's over there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I really recognize you from YouTube. Wow, you're famous. Seriously. Wow.
I just want to know how you got me last year without missing a beat with a hammer.
Oh, that is so neat.
I got you again this year too.
Your videography.
Oh, nice job. Nice job. Those will look good in our log house.
Nice job for you on the video.
Yeah.
Oh,
you're
thank
definitely-
you.